Hello students, according to Aristotle, the roots of education are bitter, but its fruits are always sweet. So dear students, in order to have the privilege of sweet fruits in our coming days, let us meet the family members of our digital electronic circuit system. Yes, logic gates are the basic fundamental building blocks of our digital electronic circuits. Now logic gates have family. Not only we humans, even logic gates also have family members, and these all family members together becomes a big family. In fact, a joint family. Like how we have joint family, they also have big family, and that joint family in digital electronic system is called integrated circuit. Yes, ICs. So students, let us study or meet the family members of our logic gates. Logic gates, the basic building blocks of our digital electronic system, and in logic gates, the basic fundamental gates are NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. These three are basic fundamental gates NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, and combining these NOT with OR and NOT with AND, we have two more gates. If I combine NOT and OR, the gate I get it as NOR gate, and if I combine NOT with AND, the gate we get is NAND gate, and these both gates are called universal gates. Why it is universal gates? Because using only NOR gates we can get NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. This only NOR gate system will do the work of NOT gate, or will do the work of OR gate, or will do the work of AND gate. In a family, say your father, suppose some work is given to you and you are unable to do it, your father will complete your work, he will take your place and will do your work. Like that only, suppose mother is not at home, some cooking work is pending in the kitchen. Okay, father will go to the kitchen and do that mother's work. He takes the place of mother and do that mother work. So father becomes a universal member there. Like that only here, using NOR gate we can either get NOT, or and using NAND gate also we can get NOT, OR and combination. Not only single but combination. That we will study later or in higher classes. Now students, in last class we have studied in detail what is NOT gate, and also something we have studied about OR gate. So students, let us recall what we have studied in NOT gate. Just to see this, you can write it students. Already I have written it. NOT gate. I have told in the last class that NOT gate is also called as inverter. Why inverter? It inverts the output signal. Here it gives the inverted version of input at its output. It gives output 1. 1 means higher level of output, high voltage output. 0 means low voltage. This 1 and 0 is in terms of binary signals. Here whatever operations, algebra what we are using, the addition and subtraction is based on binary multiplication or addition. Now here the symbol of NOT gate is like this. You can note down students, already in the last class it's over. And the Boolean expression, the logical relationship between input and output will undergo with the help of certain expression, logic equation, that is called Boolean equation. It is represented as y equal to a naught or a bar. And the truth table, say if input here, and one more thing very important in case of NOT gate, gates can have any number of inputs but output should be only 1. But in NOT gate its speciality is it has only one input and one output. Here A has only one input. So according to our binary system, number system, 0 or 1, only these two are the numbers. So either input can be 0 or it can be 1. When input is 0, according to the function, logical work function of our NOT gate, it will invert the input. Invert means not 0. If input is 0, output is not 0. If it is not 0, what it should be? 1. Only 2 numbers are available here in binary system. So if it is not 0, output is 1. 1 if it is the input, not 1. So it should be 0. So like, let me represent the waveform here. In the waveform, say A. First E input is 0. So 0 level is this one, represented as 0 level, low voltage level. Then it is 1, high level. So the waveform I have to draw at higher level. So 1 represents this level. So this will be the input. So what is output? It will invert it. Output, when input is 0, output is high here. Again when input is high, output will be low. So this is all the concept, working concept of our NOT gate. Next, let us go on with our other types of gates. Students, you can note down that if you have not noted in the last class. Okay. Our next gate is OR gate. Now, before writing the truth table and timing diagram, let us study the concept of OR gate in terms of our ordinary switching circuit. I have 2 switch and 1 bulb. Now, if the 2 switches are arranged in parallel like this is parallel connection. I have switch 1 and switch 2. A parallel connection of switch is there, and I have connected a power supply, and here I have a lamp, a bulb is there. Now bulb is on already. Here these 2 switches, we manually should on and off it. If I on the switch here, owning the switch means I have to press this. When I press, this will become a closed path. When it is open, I say that switch is off. When I press this, I say that switch is here on. So now let this be the bulb. Let me write the combination S1, S2 and bulb B. Now what are the 4 options here for S1? Let it be first open, open, close, close. Like that only. S2 also there are 2 options, open, close, open, close. These are the different open close combinations we can have. Open, close. Now here open, switch is open. Now this is the open condition. When switch is open, here if current comes like this, it can't flow through this. Since it is open, there is no closed path for the flow of current. So let me represent it, the open condition as, all the open condition here as 0. Means current cannot flow. Close, when I close this switch if I close, here there is closed path. So the current can flow like this. So closed path means it allows current to flow through it. So let me represent that close as 1 in our binary system. Now here when both the switches are open, in the circuit already power supply is on. When both the switches are open, current will come like this. Here the switch is open, so current can't go through this wire. Again here it is open, so current can't go through this wire. So current cannot come this side and this bulb will not glow. So bulb will always remain in off. This bulb will remain in off condition. Now second option is, first option is over. Second option is S1 is open and S2 is closed. S1 is open, S2 is closed. I have closed this. So what happens now, students? Current will flow like this. Here it will branch out, but here it is open, so it can't flow. So here won't come, the current won't come in this branch. All the current will flow like this. Since this is closed path, all the current will go like this, and this bulb will get the current and bulb will glow. So now bulb is under on condition. When switch 1 is open, switch 2 is closed, bulb will glow. So next option, S1 is closed and S2 is open. Now S2 is open, S1 is closed. When S1 is closed, see students, the current will not flow through S2. Why? Because it is open. But current will flow. Since this I have closed here, current will flow through. All the current coming from the power supply will flow through S1, and this bulb will get the current and bulb will glow. So again bulb is under on condition under S1 close and S2 open. Fourth option, now only these 4 combinations are possible. You can try if any other extra combinations are available, open close combination. Last option is both are closed. S1 is also closed, S2 is also closed. I have closed S1 and also I have closed S2. When both are closed, both will allow current to pass through it. So what happens here? Current flows like this, it comes here. Now both are closed. So what current will divide. Suppose if 10 ampere of current is there, 5 ampere goes this side, 5 ampere will come here. So current comes up to here and current divides. 5 ampere flows through this, 5 will flow through this, and again it will recombine, and finally I will get full 10 ampere. How much current? This battery had given power supply, the full current comes here, and that full current will flow, will get it to the bulb, and that bulb will glow. So again this is on condition. So like this, this switching circuit will work, and this switching circuit will work when either switch S1 or switch S2. See here, open condition, open, 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 close, close, open, close, close. When both are open, the bulb is off. When the bulb was on condition, let me represent it here as 1, 1, 1. Off condition, let me represent as 0. Now you see the binary numbers. When it is 0, 0, the output is 0. When it was 0, 1, the output is 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1. It means we got output 1 when any one of the input is 1. When either S1 or S2 or both S1 and S2. Already in last class I have told, when you are traveling in a train, you have to travel for long hours, you have taken the ticket. So the train has reservation compartment. So for a peaceful and restful journey, you have to take reservation. So reservation ticket is must. And when you have booked through online, Aadhaar card or voter ID is must. Now the TC will come and will check. TC will tell, along with this reservation ticket, either you must have Aadhaar card or voter ID. If you are having both, it's fine. So that condition or condition. Here, either first one or the second one, first one or second one or both. If that input is high, then only output will be high. So this concept is the working of our OR gate. Now let us draw the digital logical symbol. The symbol for OR gate, so let me write here, OR gate, it can have 2 or more inputs. Unlike our NOT gate, here it can have any number of inputs and only one output. It gives output 1. 1 is said as output, high output. When either input A, let me take the input as A and B, output as input A or input B or both. Input A or input B or both are high or 1. Remember this condition, students. So this is the logical working function of OR gate. Now let me write the symbol. Already this we have done it in the last class. 2 inputs A and B, 3 curved lines, you have to draw it like this, and these lines, no gap should be there here, it should touch, and this is output Y. Now what is its Boolean equation or expression? How to represent output in terms of Boolean function? Now there are 2 inputs A and B, or so it is represented by symbol plus, and we read it as output Y equal to A or B. So next, let us study its truth table. Truth table is very simple. If you have understood this concept of switching circuit, by seeing these numbers only you can write it for truth table. So note down, students. A, B, I have to write output as A or B. Now to remember the options in truth table, 4 options for 0 and 1. A can have 0, 0, 1, 1. This one 0, 1, 0, 1. So like this it is easy to remember. And when both either A or B or both are 1, then only output is 1. So in these cases output will be 1. When both are 0, output is 0. So this is the truth table of OR gate. Now let us draw the timing diagram. In the textbook they have taken random inputs for T1, T2, T3, etc. But I am taking the inputs with respect to this truth table, so it will be easy for you to understand. In timing diagram, we have input A, input B, output Y. There are 4 portions. Let me consider this first combination under time T1, T2, T3, T4. So let me divide this into 4 parts to represent the 4 sets. So this portion of time T1, T2, T3 and T4. In time T1, A is 0, B is 0. So here A is 0, this is 0 level, B is also 0. What happens to output? Output is also 0. Next, A is 0, B is 1. A is again 0. Let me extend that line. B is 1. So I have to draw a higher level line. So this is B is 1. What happens to output? 1. So I have to draw the output again higher level 1. Next, A1, B 0. A1 and the time T3, A becomes 1, so higher level, this is A1. B is 0, so I have to draw this lower level line. So this is 0 level line. What happens to output? 1. So this one will extend here, this again becomes 1 here. Next, last one, A1, B1, output 1. A1, so let me extend this for T4 1. B1, so I have to draw this one like this. 1. Output is also 1. So output is also 1. So what I get, now you can see the waveform clearly. See, if A signal is like this, B signal is like this, under OR operation we get output like this. So students, note down this. This much is all for OR gate operation. Note down, students. Note down this one switching diagram is not required. This is only for your knowledge purpose. Note down the symbol, note down the Boolean expression, what is OR gate, and the truth table and timing diagram. Hope so you have completed it, students. Let us go to our next gate. Next gate is, ready now students? Yes, AND gate. Now in AND gate, what changes we make here is, in this switching circuit, earlier in OR gate we had taken 2 switches in parallel. Now what we are doing is we take 2 switches in series, switch S1 and switch S2. The operation on off condition or open close condition will remain same options, but how the bulb will work, let us see. Now when switch S1 is open and also S2 is open, when both are open, power supply will give the current comes like this one is open, so current can't flow through it. So current cannot flow through this and bulb will not glow, so bulb is said to be under off condition. For off condition I can write the binary symbol for output as 0. Next, when switch S1 is open, S2 is closed. This is open, this one is closed. I have closed this one, but this one is open. So what happens to the current? Current comes like this. Since it is open, it cannot flow. So it cannot cross this portion and bulb will remain again off. When bulb is again off, I can write this as symbol 0 output. Next, S1 close and S2 open. I am closing S1 and S2 is open. So current will flow like this. Since this is closed, it will come like this. But since this one S2 is open, it can't cross it. It can't cross this circuit portion component, and then as a result current cannot flow here. Bulb will not get the current and bulb will again remain under off condition. Again let me represent it as 0 for off. When both are closed, S1 is closed and S2 is closed. When S1 is closed, S2 is closed, the current will flow through S1, flow through S2, and as a result the full current will flow through the bulb and bulb will get the current and it will glow. So bulb is under on condition. So on means I will write it as 1. Now students, what we have seen, when, now just to see the binary numbers, 0, 0, 0, open, open, off, that you can analyze it, what I have told that time. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. You got output 1 only when both the inputs are 1. So if I write here in truth table input A and B, instead of switch S1, let me represent it as A, switch S2, B. When A and B both are 1, then only we get output 1. So that you have to note down here. And one more, the common thing, here also 2 or more input will be there and only one output like OR gate. It gives output 1 when, here not either, when it will give output 1, when both inputs A and B are high or 1. Output will be 1 when both A and B are 1. That is the logical operation or working of AND gate. Now what is the symbol? See, in AND gate, this D, remember this D, how you write capital letter D? Here I have to write 3 straight lines. This is must here, just don't put the curve at the 2 edges. After this end here, at this end, just make a curve. It should look like capital letter D. Here we are representing 2 input AND gate. So A and B are 2 inputs. This I represent it as Y. And how to write the Boolean expression? Y equal to A and B. So a dot I have to write. In our ordinary mathematics, this dot will be represented as multiplication. Here it is represented as AND. We read it as output Y equal to A and B. So students, note down this. Remember these concepts related to AND gate. Next, let us go to the truth table. Now in truth table, input options will remain same, because in our binary number system we have either 0 or 1. So only these 4 options for 2 inputs, 0, 0, 1, 1 for A, 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 combination. Now what happens to the output? Y equal to A dot B. When both the inputs are high, 1, then only output is 1. When A and B, see the behavior, as the name itself tells A and B, so the name is AND. In other cases it will be 0. So very easy to remember, students. Remember this truth table for AND gate. Next, how to draw the timing diagram. Now timing diagram, like OR gate, since here this input combination we have not changed, it will remain same for two input combination. So A, B, 0, 0, A, B, 0, 0. What happens to output Y? Y also will be 0, correct. So first timing under first T1 section, timing section, this one is same like earlier. Next 0, 1, 0. 0 for A, 0 for A, 1 for B, 0 for A, 1 for B. What happens to output? 0. So I have to change this. This becomes now 0. This one will be 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. Like that 1, 0 again 0. 1, 0 again I have 0 here. For 1, 0, 0 at time T3. Next at a time T4, 1, 1, 1. 1 at a T4, this is 1. This one is 1. So here it should be 1. I have to draw the waveform at the higher level 1. So this will be our output waveform of the timing diagram. Note down the students, the timing diagram, this values, if input A are 0, B is 0, option here output will be 0. 0, 1, 0 or 0, 1, either 0, 1 for A, B or 0, 1 for B, A, always output will be 0. It will be 1 only when both are 1. So using this concept we can draw the timing diagram for any combination of inputs. Suppose if I write input 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, I have to draw the waveform for that particular timing 0, 1, 1, 1. That is there in your NCERT textbook, you can see it. Like that only for B option will be given, and by seeing this combination you keep on drawing the output Y. So just remember this basic format, it will be easy to draw the value output for any values, any set for A and B. Note down students. So these were our three basic fundamental gates: NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. AND gate can have more than two inputs, two or more inputs, but only one output. Its output will be 1 when both A and B are inputs are 1. The symbol, logic symbol like D shape, Boolean expression A dot B. This is not required. Switching circuit is only for your knowledge purpose. Just remember this for the examination point of view. Symbol will be asked, Boolean expression will be asked, truth table will be asked, timing diagram may be asked. Read this much carefully. So let us go to our next part, our next family member. These were the fundamental basic family members. These were our basic family members. So who are the basic fundamental family members? NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Next comes combinational circuit members. Combinational circuit symbols we are going to draw. Who are this by combining, already I have told earlier, by combining NOT and OR, we get NOR. By combining NOT and AND, we get NAND. Let us study its circuit, its formation, its symbol and its truth table, students. Along with me, write down these values and also draw the symbol. So our next is NOR gate. Here, how to get this NOR gate? How this circuit is formed? Here, OR gate, NOT gate is connected to the output of OR gate. So its behavior tells NOT OR and that name. So this name NOR comes from the behavior. Which behavior? Our connection behavior, that is NOT plus OR, which gives from NOT we take it N and OR, that is NOR gate. So NOT and OR combination. So combinational circuit, logical circuit, how to draw it? Or question may be asked, how the NOR gate is formed? Draw the formation of NOR gate or draw the combinational logic circuit of NOR gate. If it is asked, students, you have to draw as it is mentioned here. NOT gate is connected to the output of OR gate, and here also, like, unless except NOT gate, other all the gates will have 2 or more inputs. So we are taking 2 input gate. I am taking 2 input A and B. First I have to draw OR gate, and this at this one, so this is the output of OR gate. At this output, what I have to connect? NOT gate. So this will be our final output of NOR gate. So what is its symbol? Students, don't get confused. If it is asked formation or combination, you have to draw this. If a symbol is asked, we are combining this both together and drawing the symbol. Very important. See, first we are drawing OR gate itself, AB, and from this NOT gate, we are not drawing the full NOT gate. We are taking only this bubble portion and we are attaching here. This bubble should join here, and then I get output here Y. Now, how to write its Boolean equation or Boolean expression? Boolean expression is written as Y equal to NOR. OR is A plus B, not OR. Not means I have to write 1 bar. A plus B whole bar. Next, our truth table. Now say, in truth table, it is not OR. First, let us write the truth table of OR gate A plus B. What is A plus B? OR. When either A or B are 1, we get here 1, 0. Since it is not OR, output should be not of that. Means here, if it is 0, not 0. So I have to write it 1. 1 means not 1. So this will be our output. 1, 0, 0, 0, not OR. Whatever you got the truth table for OR gate, you have to reverse it. Where it is high, you have to make it low. So like this, you have to remember the truth table for NOR gate. Next, timing diagram. Now I think you are familiar how to draw the timing diagram. These both inputs will remain same, so these both will remain same. Now let me draw the timing diagram for first time T1. Output is 1. So here output is 1. 1 means I have to draw higher level line. All the other cases are 0. So here first T2 is 0, second case T2 0, third case 0, fourth case 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0. So this is the timing diagram for NOR gate. Note down, students. So this much you have to remember based on NOR gate. Next we will go to another combination, NOT and. That is NAND gate. Note down, students. These all are very important for 1 or 2 marks. Next comes NAND gate. Here also from the behavior, NOT AND. So what I have to change here? NOT AND. This becomes NAND. Not AND. See, in AND, when both the inputs were high, 1, then only we get output 1. Now not AND means when both the inputs are 1, then we get output 0. So here NOT gate is connected to the output of AND gate. Next, how to draw the combinational circuit. Now here we have NOT AND. This is not is there at the output of AND gate. So I have to change this. Earlier it was NOR, not OR, now not AND. How to draw the AND gate? Just draw a symbol D. Remember, here should be 2 sharp lines. So this will be the circuit formation. So logical combinational circuit or formation of which gate? NAND gate. Symbol. In the place of earlier what we have drawn OR, now I have to draw here like this. This bubble should touch here So this will be the symbol for not and, that is NAND gate. How to write the Boolean expression? Boolean expression for AND gate A dot B. Not AND means full I have to make not, that is bar. A dot B whole bar. So very simple. If you have understood NOR, you can just remember all these concepts. Only you have to replace the OR symbol with AND symbol. Next, truth table. So to remember this one's truth table, A dot B. First remember the truth table of AND. In AND, how was the truth table? For 1 and 1 input only we had 1. Other cases we had 0. Now not AND. A dot B whole bar here output. Not means when it is 1 here it will be 0. In other cases it will be 1. So when both the inputs are high, then only output is low in case of NAND gate. In other cases we get high output. So remember this truth table, students. Next, timing diagram. Input levels will remain same. Input levels are same. Now let me change the output. For first time T1 it is high, T2 high, T3 high, T4 low. Here already high I have drawn it. For T1 it is high. Next again T2 it is high. 1 1 for T2, 0 1 combination high, 1 0 combination high, 1 0 combination again high. Last for 1 1 combination 0, 1 1 combination I have to draw 0 level. So this will be our signal, output signal with reference to the 4 timings T1, T2, T3, T4, 0 0 1, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1, this is 0. So very simple, students. Note down this. This was for NAND gate. So for your syllabus point of view, in theory, the basic almost all the questions for 1 and 2 marks will be asked from this concept. And one more question, why these both are called universal gates, which both NOR and NAND gates are also called universal gates. Why it is called universal gates? Because already I have told, using only NOR gate we can get NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Using only NAND gate we can get OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Just I will draw the sample and I will show it to you. I won't give the detailed explanation because that you will study it in your higher classes. And its output you can calculate by using binary addition system. Already you have studied in lower class how to add. Binary addition is not like our ordinary mathematical addition. In mathematical addition 1 plus 1 will become 2. Here 1 plus 1 will remain 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. Like that in case of AND. 1 dot 1, 1. 0 dot 1, 0, 1 dot 0, 0, 0 dot 0, 0. So these all things you have to know, you have to remember. And the algebra which we are using is Boolean algebra, and there are certain simplification rules here. They are called De Morgan rules that you will study it in higher class. Just I will show the sample how NAND or NOR gate, by using any one particular group you can get other 3 basic gates. Note down this, students. So now I have, for example, NAND gate. Output Y. Now NAND gate will have 2 inputs, but we know that NOT gate should have only 1 input. So what we are doing here, I have 2 inputs. I will short it and I will take this as 1. So for NAND gate I had given 2 inputs, but because I have shorted it becomes same the value. Whatever I will give here A, this input 1 is A, B also will become A. So what is output now here? Y equal to, what is the formula for AND A dot A? Not AND A dot A whole bar. Now A dot A, according to our Boolean algebra, A dot A will remain A itself. And A dot A whole bar will become A bar. Now what is this Y equal to A bar? Whose Boolean expression is this? Our NOT gate. So what we got this? We got NOT gate from which combination? by using NAND gate. Like that only, let me have two inputs here, A and B. Let me give it to NOT gate, and again this will, let me give it to NOT gate combination only by using NAND gate. Now here what will be the output? Let me take it Y dash. A, B are inputs, so and A dot B not A dot B whole bar will be the input, will be output of first gate, that will be fed as input to the second one here. So what will be our final output Y? Final output Y will be these both A dot B into A dot B. A dot B dot A dot B will remain as A dot B itself. This bar is there. Again this bar, A dot B bar of bar, that gets cancelled. 0 bar will become 1. 1 bar again will become 0. So it will remain in the initial state itself. So I can write this as A dot B. So this will be A dot B, and Y equal to A dot B is the Boolean expression of which gate? AND gate. So like this, here I got AND gate using which gates? NAND gates. Like that only. Don't get confused, students. Just remember, anyhow in theory it won't be asked, just you should know it. For competitive exam it's required. Now if I take this as A, this as B, this it will be A bar here output, B, this will be B bar. Why? Because this both will work like a NOT gate. Next this I am giving input to another family of NAND gate. So what will be this one's output now? Here A bar, and A bar, B bar, and it's again not, it's again bar. According to De Morgan's law rules, we have A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. A dot B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. How is this? If you tell, very big story it is. Now that you will study it in higher classes. In physics only this much is there. So I have to stop at this level. Just remember now students, this formula if you remember, these are called De Morgan rules. Very interesting concept, you will study it in your higher classes. So using this concept here, A bar of bar will become A, dot will get converted to plus, B bar of bar will become B. So now I got output as A plus B. Now A plus B represents which gate? OR gate. So this particular is nothing but OR gate. So students, using NAND gate, we got NOT gate, we got independent AND gate. Like that only we got independent OR gate. Like this only, using OR gate, we can get NOT gate, we can get OR gate, we can get AND gate. Because of this nature, this work of theirs, it is called as universal gates. So students, here I will terminate the concept of semiconductor electronics. Whatever assignment will be given to you, try to complete it. Study all the concepts properly. Complete your notes. Be happy, be healthy. All the best, dear students. We will wind up here. Thank you.